Welcome children. Today I will explain the access specifier, or you can say that visibility mode. Okay, there is three access specifier: public, private, protected. These access specifier we can use in inheritance programming. Okay, so firstly we use the public access specifier. Here is a class P. Class P is a parent class. Public void show is the method. In this method I am printing here hello. Then close the method and close the class. Okay, then next class is class C, is a child class. Extends P. Extends means inherit the P class. In this class public void display is a method, and in this method we are going to show the method of the parent class. Okay, show method, we are calling show method within this class. Next is the main class. In this main class I am creating the object of P class, not a C class. I am creating the object of parent class. Okay, and here I am calling the function obj.show function. Okay, here is the public access specifier, public modifier. So public modifier can be access here and can be access here is the obj.show. So it is access inside the class or outside the class. Clear? Public is access specifier is access the method or member within the class or as well as outside the class. Clear? Now suppose if we are using private, if we are using the method as private, so here is the modifier is private. Okay, when we are declare base class method as private, then what will happen? Class C extends P, public void display method. Here is the show method. This show method cannot be executed. We cannot display the value of show method in child class because the show method is a private. Visibility mode is private, means it is the restricted to show anywhere. Okay, so and here in main class we are creating the object of parent class. Yes, we can create the object, but we cannot display the method show. We cannot display the method show because show is the private function. Show is the private function. Clear? Next modifier is a protected. If we are using the protected, so protected void show. When we are using protected access specifier, then this access specifier can this function can access here. Okay, it's a protected, but protected is used to inherit or display the method within the class, only within the class. And here we can also create the object of show class, means we can call the function by using object because it is the part of the class. Okay, the protected method cannot be accessed if we are using the different package. This main class is the same package. Okay, if we are using this class in different package, then protected function here we cannot display the, we cannot call the show function. Okay, so these are the access specifier or visibility mode. Public we can access inside the class as well as outside the class. Private is only access within inside the class, base class, inside the base class only. And protected can be accessed inside the class and not access outside the class. Means outside means different package. Outside class means we cannot access the method in different package. Clear? These are the these are the access specifiers or visibility mode. Okay.